Halloween in full swing.
Well, isn't that a pretty picture? Now just look at me here. Isn't that beautiful?
This is something that's worth doing as well, is taking time to look at all the windows and just listen. Because at School of Dentistry, 9 out of 10 patients go to bits. And you'll find what the names of what J. Bart, T. Delaney, T. Morris, they'll all be Imagineers, or they'll be involved in the park in some way.
Dr. Bates, your patient is ready. Open wide.
Thank you, nurse. Chisel, please.
Chisel, doctor.
Thank you. Got it. Got it. Missed it. Okay, try again. Easy. Got it. Eureka.
If your dentist sounds like that, you've got a problem. So just taking a minute to go in and look at all the different windows.
I wonder if there's still camera stuff.
I think it's here somewhere.
Yeah, always make sure you get enough SD cards in that because Disney don't sell them. How you want to do it? Down back in. That's a shortcut, and there's one on the other side as well. Yeah, each main street looks like a colonial street where Walt Disney grew up. I think this is a more of a European style. And it usually leads into the shops or some kind of shop and then back in again. Michael Eisner up there. I can't zoom in, but Michael Eisner's got a window up there, look.
What's that?
Michael Eisner's right
Oh,
there.
I see it is.
As you can see, it's Halloween decorations. It's also very busy. I'm saying it's also very busy because the parade's about to start.
No, the parade's still in around 20 minutes away.
It gets busy when the parade's on. No problem. There's a wee side street down here. So you can get silhouettes and stuff like that. Just like a colonial. Sometimes you can hear things in the windows. There's a silhouette stand. So again, they're Imagineers and things like that. Disney likes to theme things. We're in from the deli. Crop was here, eh?
€10. And you've got the other tag, rookie cookie. That one's chocolate hazelnut and that one's pistachio and hazelnut. We have had stuff out there before, isn't it?
Alright. Yeah. Can you spy something related to Walt? No, next step.
Oh, Lily's boutique.
That was his wife. Eh?
Mini toys. Can't remember what they're from.
The aristocrats.
And so somebody called me.
Yeah.
Rachel would be able to tell me, but I'm just forgetting right now.
Yeah.
Les restaurants ici, on met un petit peu quoi.
So there's Casey's Corner. Well, that's in Orlando as well. But it's not called that in California, is it? Casey's Corner's not Casey's Corner in California, it's a different name. Generally it's a bit confusing because you could think you're in Orlando for a minute. Yeah, the castle again. I keep losing the rain.
I'm offering a hot or a cold drink for €7.
That's not bad actually.
A few other different things, water and stuff, so.
That's not bad. So that, I was going to say back passage, that doesn't sound right. See what I mean? Such a child.
What? I don't know what you're trying to.
The over or the lane behind the shops. There's two, there's one over there and there's one back there. I'll show you when it comes out.
First dates along here.
Yeah, Lorraine found that one at the Hardway.
What was that?
I said, you found the first aid out the Hardway?
Yeah.
So yeah.
And there's passed out doing the fireworks, just me. Asking for a friend.
Yeah, that was fun that night. Discovery Arcade, that's what it's called. So there's one down that side and one down the other side, so it means that you can get down there pretty quickly. The first aid's in there.
And the baby care.
Yep.
There's all in there as well.
Yeah, that was fun.
It wasn't for you, it wasn't for me.
So
There's one side of Main Street, we'll show you the other later.
yeah, we're going to head into Tomorrowland and see if we can scope out a spot for the parade, so we'll catch you then.
That'll be good because the parade doesn't go through tomorrow.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Tomorrowland up to Fantasyland, or whatever it is. Back to It's a Small World. Although we're not riding that one this time. So yeah, that's that.